feel it. Brooklyn, on the line, shoot out the gutter. Tell Lord.
That sent me the wig. Sally Well Bloom Your Beauty from AliExpress. And today I'm going to be doing a tutorial. Not really a tutorial because you guys pretty much know how to wear wigs. You guys know how to slay it. So I'm pretty much just going to be showing you how I installed this specific hair company's wig. Now I did a little poll on my Instagram and I asked you guys if the girls are still wearing silver hair. I remember when I first started my channel back in 2014, 2015, silver hair and gray hair was super popular. Like everybody had the gray hair. I remember that's when I first was going to beauty school and like the looks I would get from people because it's like, oh, you're young wearing like silver gray hair. Like it's been years since I've put a silver or gray wig. Am I lying? Not that long, but it's been a few years since I've worn a silver and gray wig. So let's get right into it. So this is how the wig looks, y'all. Don't need this. Oh, look at this. It's pretty. Oh my gosh, it's been so long since I've worn a silver wig. Like I'm like nervous and excited. So Sally Well's wig, this synthetic wig has two clips in the front, one right here, so it's like both by the temples, which is good because you can just push it in like that. It has a clip in the back, and then it has the basic wig straps that always come with all the wigs in the back, and I'm just gonna clip that up. Whew. That's how it looks on my head. Oh my gosh. I feel like 2014 Chrissy. I haven't worn a gray wig in so long. Let me just start combing it. Oh wow. So it combs really nice. No tangling, which is good. It's like really soft. The texture is not like a yucky texture. It has like that synthetic shiny texture, but it's not super like Halloween costume shiny. Pretty. I like the color. I like the gray color. Like I just love it. I miss having gray hair. Like it looks so nice. Okay guys, so that's enough of me talking. Let me just go right on ahead and just lay this wig down. I'm gonna do all my tips and tricks, you know how I do. But I don't think I'm gonna style her. I think I'm just gonna leave her straight, but I'm definitely just gonna make sure that I got some baby hairs and the front is like real thick and nice and installed. So yeah. stall. The lace is super thin. The hair doesn't tangle, it doesn't shed. You guys did see me thin it out a little bit. It didn't really, honestly didn't need to be thinned out, but me, I just like my wigs, I don't know, thin, not super thick. So I thinned out the back a little bit. I just think it's one of those fun wigs, synthetic wigs that, you know, you just want to throw on and take pictures with and have fun. It's not one of those wigs that you want to spend so much money on, especially if you don't want to spend so much money on a blonde 613 wig to dye it silver. Doesn't come out the way you want it. You don't know how to dye it. It's just all of that. If you want to just save money, just do it the quick route. A silver synthetic wig is the way to go, child. Out Sally Wells store on AliExpress if you want to get this beautiful synthetic silver wig. Thank you so much. I love you guys so much for watching. Tell me what you think about the hair. I will see you guys in my next video, but until then, keep slaying.